Breaking news now coming in from the Supreme Court. Government of Kerala has filed a plea in the Supreme Court over the Citizenship Amendment Act. It has also challenged the Passport Act and the Foreigners Act rule. Anisha Mathur joins me on the phone line. Anisha, very significant that the Kerala government has filed a plea because it is exactly not the state government's prerogative on the CAA. But this time, do you think that the Kerala government is putting a front out there, making it stand clear? What exactly is said in the petition?
Well, the Kerala government has filed a suit in the Supreme Court, which is something that a state government can file against the centre, saying that this Amendment Act that has been brought in violates principles of federalism as well as the principle of secularism that is enshrined in the Constitution of India. They have asked the Supreme Court to declare that the Citizenship Amendment Act is violative of Articles 14, 21 and 25 of the Constitution of India because it discriminates on the grounds of religion. Now, we'll have to see if this matter is also listed along with several other petitions, because remember, there are more than 50 petitions already pending before the Supreme Court on the CAA issue, which are set to be heard on the 22nd of January. But those are all writ petitions that have been filed by various organizations, NGOs, individuals, even bureaucrats, etc. But now a government has filed a petition against the government saying that this act should not have been passed.
Currently, how is the Apex Court hearing the Citizenship Amendment Act petitions? What all have been submitted? Just take us through the background, please.
Well, there are multiple petitions that are there in the Supreme Court over the CAA, all of which are expected to be heard now on the 22nd. Remember, so far, these petitions have not been heard. The Chief Justice's bench has been very clear that they will hear them. But initially, when the issue had come before the court, particularly with regard to the protests, they had said that let the protests die down and then we will hear them. But for now, all of these petitions, including those which have been filed by political parties, are set to be heard on the 22nd of January. We'll have to see what stand the government is going to take, what exactly they are going to say when it comes to responding to all of these petitions. But there are almost more than 60 petitions currently pending before the Supreme Court, including petitions filed by organizations from the Northeast which have raised their own concerns with regard to the change in the demographics.
So clearly an important day. Kerala government taking the fight to the Supreme Court and likely against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Anisha Mathur, thank you very much.